Hey everyone, Rob from AST back again. I wanted to give you some more information after our last video, specifically here about California. Now that SB 946 is passed, we've been getting a lot of questions about what does it mean, what are the changes, and how does it relate to me. And I want to start off with probably the most important piece of information, which is SB 946 has no caps. There's no age limit. There's no cost limit. There's no limit to number of hours. Whatever your child needs clinically is what they're going to be eligible for and able to get. The next thing that's really important is to know not every single plan will be covered under SB 946. The key is to know, do I have a fully funded plan or a self-funded plan? And the difference really comes down to your employer, what they chose to do, what regulations they chose, and what liability they chose to take on. Right now, about 40% of families have fully funded plans here in California. But if you have a self-funded plan, it's still okay. It doesn't mean you're not covered. You may have coverage. A lot of large employers here in California provide services and ABA services underneath their insurance. Some great examples are Time Warner Cable, Microsoft, and Cisco. Another thing to keep in mind is Medi-Cal. It's been a hot question of, does Medi-Cal cover ABA under SB 946? And unfortunately, the mandate specifically excludes Medi-Cal from this. But one thing we're working on here at AST is, can Medi-Cal cover some families' co-payments and even some of the deductibles that are associated with your private insurance plans? Hopefully we're going to have some more information to share with you in the future as we get more information from Medi-Cal. Also, it's important to keep in mind that here in California, there's probably 60, 70 different private insurance companies, and SB 946 applies to all of them. So whether you're with a really large insurance company like Anthem, or you're with a smaller insurance company like Coastwise, if you have a fully funded plan, SB 946 applies to you. Also, getting a few questions about OT, speech, and keep in mind that SB 946 applies to ABA, but OT and speech is also covered under some of the laws, and some of the things may be a little different between ABA versus SLP. So if you have any questions about ABA, speech, OT, feel free to give us a call. Our insurance specialist can walk you through your program, your plan, and the different options you have available. Give us a call at 866-278-1520. See you guys later.